Hi students, so I'm going to be going over how to complete your and submit your application for the Temple Pre-College workshops. So you're going to go to your student portal and search up Temple Pre-College workshops, and then you'll have the flow record pop up. I already have it opened. So it's going to take you to the flow record. And then you'll go to click here and it'll take you to flow details. It's taking quite a while. And under flow details, under application website, it will take you directly to the application. And so when you are applying to Temple University, the pre-college workshops, you're going to create an account. It's going to redirect you to create an account. I have already created an account, but you will have to create an account. Make sure you use a email that works, that you have easy access to, that your email you usually use. So you will hit apply now, create your account, and you will begin your application. I have already created an account, so it's going to take me to my applications. Again, you can always begin your application, save it, and then come back to it. So if you need to do that, you can. I have already began, so I'm going to hit continue and just walk you through what the application looks like. So you have 5 pages to do. You have student information, parent guardian information, 2020 program selection. It's where you will select the classes you would like to take, your student personal statement, and then the application certification. So we're just going to hit continue. And I will take you on every page and see what that looks like. So the first page is student information, your first name, first and last name here. So a phone number for you, the best student email address, your gender, what grade will you be beginning next year, fall, next semester, fall. Um, the name of the school you attend and the organization that is supporting students. So you will put Discover U there. I'm going to go to parent guardian information. So once you um, once you fill this all out, you can just hit next page and it will automatically direct you to the next page. But I'm going to just go from here. Your parents' first and last name, their address, best number for them, a best email for them if they're your mother or father, grandparent, legal guardian, or other. And then estimated 2019 household income. So you will need some of their guidance on this application. Um, we'll go to 2020 program selection. Here, if you would like to sign up for workshop session number 1 or session number 2. So that is completely up to you, whatever you have thought about, you wanted to apply, discuss with your advisor. I'm going to hit for session number 1. And I'm guessing that all sessions have different types of subjects for them. So it really depends on what you would prefer, right? So AM preference, we'll say sports management. Let's see, college essay writing. So this is your preference. So here's going to ask you for your second preference in case you don't get into your first one, I guess. Psychology and neuroscience we'll put for preference number 2. And so if you see here for session number 2, they have different subjects or courses. So um, whichever you are most interested in, you can sign up for an alternative. Have you applied and been accepted to Temple Summer Academy? I'm gonna hit no. So this is asking if you have been accepted to the previous application. So if you have already applied and been accepted, then you would hit yes. If no, and you're making changes to selections, then you would select the second option. But if you have not been accepted, then you would select that. Um, and then it's going to take you to number 4, your student personal statement. So here you're just going to choose one of the following prompts and write a clear, concise, and thoughtful essay. Again, if you are writing an essay, this is only, this is a minimum words of 150. So when you are picking your prompt, make sure that you have guidance from your flow advisor or an English teacher or someone that can read your rough drafts and give you edits on them before you submit. So make sure you do that for any of the prompts that you're selecting for your essays. And then application certification. So student attendance is critical to the success of the program. Scholarships are limited, the demand is high, and the program incurs significant expenses related to program enrollment and student attendance. So you are making sure that you will be attentive to this program. You know, these are high quality programs, and we want to make sure that you're applying to it, but you're also committed to showing up to your classes and whatever is needed. So making sure that you are committed when you're applying and throughout the program. So we will just, and then today's date, and then that's when you will hit submit application. So if you have any questions, please reach out to your flow advisor. I'm sure they will be happy to help in any way they can. So good luck.